Hello friends, is your engine running rough, misfiring, or struggling to accelerate? If your check engine light is showing code P0355, your vehicle might have an issue with the Ignition Coil E circuit. Ignoring this code can lead to poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and even long-term damage to the catalytic converter. In this video, we'll explain what P0355 means, its symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. P0355 stands for Ignition Coil E primary-secondary circuit malfunction. The ignition coil is responsible for converting the battery's low voltage into the high voltage needed to fire the spark plug. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, constantly monitors this circuit. If it detects a problem in Ignition Coil E, it triggers code P0355. This means your engine might misfire, hesitate, or even stall while driving. Common symptoms of P0355 include check engine light, cell, on, engine misfire or rough idling, loss of power and acceleration, hard starting or engine stalling, poor fuel economy, and increased exhaust emissions due to unburned fuel in the exhaust. Ignoring this issue could lead to expensive engine and exhaust system repairs. The Ignition Coil E is typically located on the cylinder head, directly above the spark plug for cylinder 5. For inline-4 engines, if your engine only has 4 cylinders, you won't have a Coil E, but in V6 and V8 engines, you will. For V6 and V8 engines, Coil E is usually assigned to cylinder 5, which may be located in the rear cylinder bank on a V engine. For coil pack systems, some older cars use a coil pack instead of individual coils. The coil pack is typically mounted near the intake manifold or on the engine block. Tip: always check your owner's manual for your car's specific coil layout. Faulty ignition coil. E. The coil may be cracked, burned out, or have an internal short. Wiring issues: damaged, corroded, or loose wiring in the ignition circuit. Bad spark plug or spark plug wires. A failing spark plug can put extra stress on the ignition coil. Faulty PCM, Powertrain Control Module. The PCM may not be sending proper signals. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A fuse or relay failure can prevent proper ignition coil function. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the code and check for related misfire codes. Step 2. Locate Ignition Coil E cylinder 5 and inspect it for burn marks, cracks, or oil leaks. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for corrosion, loose pins, or frayed wires. Step 4. Test the spark plug and ignition coil using a multimeter to measure resistance and voltage. Step 5. If the coil is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 6. Inspect and replace any blown fuses or damaged relays. Step 7. Clear the code with an obd2 scanner and test drive the car to ensure the issue is resolved. A failing ignition coil E can cause misfires, rough idling, and poor performance. Fixing P0355 early will keep your engine running smoothly and prevent costly damage. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P000E, Engine Position System Performance. Bank 1 P0009, Engine Position System Performance Bank 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.